Hello ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Khalid Masood Kareem. In this video tutorial, I will share technical aspects and techniques of top volume leaders of the Karachi Stock Exchange. It is not a recommendation to buy or sell. The Karachi Stock Exchange 100 Index closed at 45,915 level on May 21, 2021. The closing is above the weekly pivot level of 45,694. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 46,378 and 45,010 respectively. Technically, the index is likely to move upside. The world call Telecom closed at 1.88 level on May 21, 2021. The closing is above the weekly pivot level of 1.74. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 2.09 and 1.39. Technically, the stock is likely to show further upside movement. The BYCO closed at 10.12 level on May 21, 2021. The closing is above the weekly pivot level of 9.88. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 10.94 and 8.82. Technically, the stock is likely to test the overhead resistance. The K Electric closed at 4.24 level on May 21, 2021. The closing is above the weekly pivot level of 4.08. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 4.55 and 3.61. Technically, the stock is likely to show more price gain if it overcomes the resistance. The HASCOL closed at 10.71 level on May 21, 2021. The closing is above the weekly pivot level of 10.07. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 12.58 and 7.56 respectively. Technically, sideways movement is expected. The Unity Foods closed at 41.03 level on May 21, 2021. The closing is above the weekly pivot level of 39.11. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 45.11 and 33.11 respectively. Technically, upside movement is expected. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.